HEL Performance offers you the ability to buy a fully CNC machined precision master cylinder for the price normally associated with mass-produced cast and forged items. They feature fully CNC machined adjustable ratio lever. Main body in either a 16 or 19mm bore, fully machined from solid billet aluminium with matching end cap. All internal metal parts are machined in-house on our own CNC machinery, including the piston. They feature a 90-degree outlet to connect to the reservoir pot. 2 inserts are included for the lever to offer 3 ratios. Stainless steel insert to offer span adjustment. Stainless steel bleed nipple and cap. Even the span adjustment knob is machined in-house in stainless steel. The full master cylinder is available as a 16mm with 15, 16 and 17 ratio and a 19mm with 18, 19 and 20 ratios. British designed, engineered and manufactured at our headquarters in Devon. HEL Performance. What's stopping you?